Table below gives information about the distances in kilometres travelled by 80 students to get to school. So we've got group data here, and this is frequency. So 25 have to travel between 0 and 5 kilometres. On the grid, draw a histogram for this information. One of these students is to be selected at random. Find an estimate for the probability that this person travels more than 20 kilometres to get to school. Okay, so what we've got to realise in our grid that we have no vertical scale. We will need to add this, and in order to calculate the height of each bar, we will need to work out the class width of each class here. So from 0 to 5, the width is 5. From here, it's going to be 10, and then from here, it's going to be 10, and then here it's going to be 15. Right. Frequency density is frequency divided by class width, so we're going to need to do this column divided by this column. So 25 divided by 5 is 5, 27 divided by 10 is 2.7, 16 divided by 10 is 1.6, and 12 divided by 15 is 0.8. Right, so we now know that the highest value we need is 5, so if I make two of these 1, we should be able to fit it in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The grid is normally given to you, so you will need to choose a suitable vertical scale. So from 0 to 5, we will need to draw the first bar, and then from 5 to 15, we need to go up to 2.7, and then from 15 to 25, we will need to go up to 1.6, and then from 25 to 40, we'll need to go up 0.8. Right, we need to now find the number of students who travelled more than 20 kilometres. So 20 kilometres is here, so we need to draw in a line, and we need to find the area of all this. Okay, so don't forget the area under the graph gives frequency. So area represents frequency. Now we know for here this one is 12 because we got that from the table because we had to draw that. We need to work out what this will be here. Okay, so frequency density is frequency divided by class width. Therefore, frequency will be frequency density times class width. Rearranging. So the frequency density here is 1.6, and the width is 5. So 5 times 1.6 gives me 8. So this bit here shaded represents 8 people, or we can just see it's going to be half of the what the bar represents. So the number of people who travel more than 20 kilometres are going to be 8 plus 12, which is 20. As a probability, so probability more than 20 kilometres is going to be equal to 20 out of the total, which was 80. 20 divided by 80 is 1/4. So this has been a video to show you how to draw a histogram from a grouped frequency table and then use it to estimate a probability. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.